over your future, your destiny, and your career. Alright, so entrepreneurship is not just only for people who want to start a company or start a startup. So it's for people who feel that I want to become a leader. That's the kind of mindset change that you want, and the entire journey and what are the things that I'm going to tell you, it's going to prepare you to have an entrepreneurial mindset, and that is more important even in the job market. Okay, and so with that note, I just wanted to quickly highlight few of the pointers, the statistical data that or the authorities that talk about the scope of the work, right? So the future scope of work demands entrepreneurial skills, and you see a lot of the points that I have mentioned. You saw about the World Economic Forum. It says the future of jobs emphasize the growing demand for core entrepreneurial skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity for students. When Stanford says that students with entrepreneurial skills are more likely to get hired. Alright, so nowadays the job market doesn't want only the coders. Say for example, most of you guys are from computer science department. I know that you guys are technically geniuses and savvy, where you code well and you create good products. However, if I am going to hire you for one of my companies or one of my startups, I would want you guys to not just code but also to know what are all the budgets involved, what are all the infrastructure that is required to actually create a complete architecture. I want you to act like a CTO. You know this word called CTO, right? Chief Technology Officer. Do you know or not? No. Shocking. You guys are techie guys, right? So, how many of you know Steve Jobs? Right? How many of you know Steve Wozniak? Steve Wozniak, only one guy. Okay. So, Steve Wozniak is